Are you curious to know if Nagano Tonic is worth it, if it really works, or where to buy it? In this video, I'll provide all the answers, including how to use it, what makes it special, and the truth about its effectiveness. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's start by addressing the question everyone has: does Nagano Tonic really work? Based on real testimonials and photos shared on the official website, many users have seen incredible results. These success stories are proof that Nagano Tonic delivers on its promises. Now, here's a vital alert: Nagano Tonic is not available on marketplaces or other third-party websites. You can only purchase the original product on its official website. This ensures you avoid fake versions and get the authentic formula. The link to the official website is provided in the description and pinned comment below. When it comes to how to use, Nagano Tonic is extremely straightforward. Simply mix the recommended amount of the tonic with water or your favorite beverage. It's designed to be consumed once daily, preferably in the morning, to maximize its effects. Consistency is key. Use it daily as instructed to achieve the best results. Another reason why Nagano Tonic stands out is its guarantee. The manufacturer offers an impressive 180-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you have 6 full months to try the product completely risk-free. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. This gives you plenty of time to test it and see if it's right for you. If you're still wondering whether Nagano Tonic is worth it, the answer is yes. It's a product trusted by many, supported by real user experiences, and protected by a strong guarantee. To wrap things up, remember, Nagano Tonic is only available on the official website, and the link is in the description below. Avoid unauthorized sellers to ensure you're getting the real product. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.